Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and really valued a workshop this morning by Conscious Communication. The first was, since I last saw you, we're in a circle and a person will go into the center and for 20 seconds, including using gestures, sharing what they did since they last saw you, while that people in the outer circle had an opportunity to kind of copy the motions, and it really allowed one to be present and also listen to one another and be present in the moment. And also that mirroring, I think, shows that others are listening. It's a pretty cool experience. And the second one was a journey map. And in that, what we did was we looked at from early childhood even to today, mapping key moments that shaped our lives, and then attaching some feelings to it, whether it was like a good feeling, like a really good feeling, or a really low feeling. So create like this kind of graph where it would have ups and downs, peaks and valleys, you could say, and then attaching values, things that you learned during those different spaces, maybe like 4 values, 5 values, 6 values that came, and then thinking about whether we are using those values today or not, and then actually coordinating and communicating in small group the lessons that we learned with one another, sharing our journey map as well as the values we learned. Pretty cool experience.